So, after you buy a camera, an IP, and an analog, doesn't matter. A pretty logical question occurs. How do I mount it? And then you go asking a Google, and among the search results, you may find YouTube suggestions because they appear too. And this may be the way how you got here into this video. So we're here to help you.
Subscribe to People Systems YouTube channel and get your special offer on every deal.
So hello, I'm Daniel from the People Systems store, there's it, and I want to quickly guide you through the do-it-yourself camera installation process with no any help from the site and if you're on your own only. And I would really appreciate if you comment this video answering to how did you manage this cam install process. No more introduction further, straight to the point now. And so we have brought here a two junction box type, so you can see the original one metal box that looks like a full value camera part in a joint position. Here's it like this, and a plastic ones. So the reason, the plastic box has a lot of variations in the size, on the hose position, on the colors, and the price generally, but it's water resistant too, it's metal brother, and actually specifically the plastic ones are mounted like mostly everywhere, if we're judging from our experience. So there is two ways to install the camera. Out of the box on the adjacent wall and on top of the box like here or here. And I recommend to go for out of the box install because, well, as the time runs, both the box and the camera on top gets loosened under the precipitation and the pressure of the snow, weight and water. Gradually that causes a box cracks and a cover this one slips off, so yeah, it's better to separate this. And if your decision is to mount on the box, take the original one and you'll get it protected and aesthetically looking both. So to install this, we'll probably need an IP cam, a junction boxes. We brought here a two, the original metal one, this one is Dahwa's, and the plastic one. And sure, we'll probably need the standard LAN cable. And that's it. You probably know our whole technician squad works on like every other video, and specifically for this one, we have brought here our super experienced engineer adjuster. As the time runs, we're going to acquaint you with our whole team. But right now, I'm letting the master's hands to do the thing. So we took the airtight non-original Schneider junction box and we're gonna mount it over some regular DWP board with a screwdriver instead of the perforator that you might use in case you got a thicker wall or a drill to speed up the process. And what I want to show you is, again, that you don't need any extra tools to make everything work and you're able to arrange a full system or simply install the camera with a regular toolkit that almost everyone has in-house. And next thing we do, we are pushing the LAN cable separately into the junction box to connect your IP camera with a PoE. To install the camera, you can also use this mounting stencil to map out a place for a camera, or you can use the camera's bracket and mark with a pen where the holes are going to be. And then we take a bracket and fix the camera onto the board. And now we're putting on the waterproof cap onto the LAN cable and cleaning the cable itself. So I believe we've showcased you how easy it is to set this whole thing up, especially if you have a guide like this in front of you. And yeah, it depends on the situation which tool to use, either that is a screwdriver or a perforator if you've got a thicker walls, but we go the most easy way because not everyone has a drill, right? And the camera, well, there is a lot of manufacturer companies and a lot of cameras variations, but the main principle is the same and it works with everything. I'm pretty sure the box components will differ depending on the manufacturer. It can be a fastener kit, a mounting stencil and other parts, like a lot. But the main technology remains. Mount the camera's bracket, the cam itself, then taking a virus and pushing it into the junction box, where it is protected against the moisture, the additionally isolating the elements to make it more reliable and time protected. And actually, yeah, the connectors, yeah, may vary a lot by the size, type, can be compressed or not, amplified or not, but mostly it all depends on your system. And if you got something to say about how you arranged this whole thing, would really like to see that in video comments. So welcome. We in People Systems have a lot more to show you. That includes the cameras, the all-in-one kits, the recordist, and the rest of things. So don't hesitate to contact us to get something secured for yourself or just ask for help. We're here to do exactly that. And if you want to get these and things we did, or any surveillance equipment as a special offer, just tell our manager you're from Daniel and you'll get your special offer. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. We're for safety to every home in the People Systems.